I didn't realize how funny that was until like, because when the new episodes came on of that, I never watched it. But the old ones, they are so good. It's
I didn't watch
crazy.
it when it is it still on TV?
No, it's
Okay.
not. But I ain't never watched it. Like, when it came on, I
Mm-hmm.
ain't know it was funny like that. Okay, hey guys, my name is Akaya. Hope all is well. I want to thank you so much for visiting my channel. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If this is your second or third, I truly appreciate you checking me out. In this video, I'm just showing you how I am going to be styling my clients' locks. We are just doing some barrel twists going back. I think we did like maybe six, maybe not. But we were just doing a quick style going back. What I like to do, guys, is when I do my styles, I like to always section off the hair first. That is what I was showing you earlier. Now, guys, I like to be able to just go back and forth, picking up hair, and then I wrap it around the base. Let me show you. Then you wrap it around the base. You can do it once. You could do it once or twice. It's up to you, but just keep going back and forth, taking each lock from left to right or right to left, whichever one is good for you. But make sure you are also keeping the roots nice and retwisted as you do it. So make sure you're going the right way so you can be able to keep it nice and tight. Again, you're just going back and forth, and then making sure you hold the portion that you are doing. Now, guys, I am about to use a rubber band. And guys, do not do this tight. We're not doing none of these styles tight at all. I'm just going to be putting a rubber band on it, or you can tie it off with the locks. But to me, I like to be able to tie it with a rubber band so you don't got to worry about it coming out or nothing. But guys, when I say I love this style, I love it. It's easy, it's simple. It's something to just get your hair out your way, especially in the summertime when you have long locks. This is a perfect style to do. And like I told you guys, make sure you are not making it tight. So I'll just keep on showing you guys. And if you have any questions, let me know. I would love to give you guys a class. I do classes. Yes, 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 I do classes. A lot of people don't know that, but years ago, I used to do so many classes, and now I don't do them anymore. But I would love to. Contact me, guys. I'll put all my information in the video description box. Also, guys, please make sure y'all comment. Like, none of my people comment. I need for you to comment. I need for you to talk to me so my videos can get further. I would love for everybody to be able to see them. What I do is I just try to always show you guys how to be able to do all kind of things. So if you are interested, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And not only press that subscribe button, but press that follow button too. But again, if you want to be able to take a class or if you want me to do your hair, I'll put all my information in the video description box. And I want to send a shout out to all of my clients, all of my people, all of my viewers, all of my family, friends. Thank you so much for watching my content. When you watch it, when you comment, it helps my content go further. So thank you so much, guys. But continue to watch. Until this is done, and hopefully that you learned something from this. If you are, go ahead and put AV below. That is added value if I am helping you learn. Okay, keep on watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, I am done. Let me know below what you think. Again, contact me now so I can be able to do your hair. I would love to do it. I'm located in Dallas, Georgia. I'll put all my information in the video description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Be blessed. Bye.